What's going on, guys? How are you guys doing? I just wanted to come and talk to you guys today about the 5 ways in which YouTube has changed my life. It has been a super significant aspect of my life these last few years. So I just want to, talk to you guys a little bit about the ways in which my life has changed because of YouTube. And the first one I can say is it has given me purpose. It has given me a drive like nothing else in my life has. The only closest thing I can think of is basketball as to, wanting to set out goals and achieve these goals. It was revealed to me kind of early on that speaking was going to be something that I was going to do. Now, did I think I would start a business or create a YouTube or that belief that was placed inside of me, did I think it would manifest into creating YouTube content? Not at all. But hey, here we are. You got to work with what you have. And this has been the platform that I've been able to get the ball rolling. You have to get the ball rolling somehow. So I would say that this platform has given me purpose. When you create these videos and you have people reach out to you and tell you how beneficial a video was to them or how the video helped them in their life, that gives you an understanding and a belief in what you're doing. It gives you drive, it gives you meaning, it gives you purpose. So I feel that I'm fulfilling my purpose creating content in this way, and also for Christ, trying to bring people closer to Christ, trying to talk about the word and express the word, explain the word in a way that maybe somebody has never heard. Maybe they've been confused about something all this time, and maybe I can say something to give them more clarity on, just an understanding of what a particular message may have been from the Bible. So I feel like I'm living in my purpose and bringing people closer to Christ, and also just helping people out from a self-development point of view, just trying to give them a better understanding of who they are and what they should do to get a better understanding of who they are, to help them know what they should be doing for their life. So I try to bring that clarity to people. And that's what I feel is my purpose. And I feel that I'm living out that purpose through YouTube. The second way YouTube has changed my life is it has stimulated my creative side. I have this creative inkling that's inside of me that needs to be expressed. And YouTube has given me the ability to express it. I come up with a video idea, I write the video out, I shoot the video, then I edit the video to create a piece of art, a piece of digital art, cinematography. So I love this. I love that it allows me to tap into that creative side that I need to express, I need to get out. And we all need to express ourselves creatively. We need to find whatever avenue that it is for us to express that creative ability that's deep inside of us. Mine just happens to be through video. It allows me to tap into my creative ability, and I love to express it in this kind of way. So you need to figure out the way in which you like to express your creative ability, and to do that, to release that, because you'll be amazed at the things that you can create when you release yourself to tap into that creative spirit, that creative ability. And the third way that YouTube has changed my life is it has allowed me to invest in myself. And I love investing in myself. I love pouring back into myself to allow myself to become better, to develop into something better, to become better than I was yesterday. And I have a degree in supply chain management, and that's how I was taught in school. Better, faster, cheaper, and also continuous improvement. So the principles that I have learned in supply chain pertaining to continuous improvement, I apply those same principles to my life. So I'm always trying to improve myself, and you do that through investing in yourself, pouring into yourself. I used to frown going to the supermarket and looking at, all the food that was organic and seeing how expensive it was. But if you're not gonna spend the money on your body, then what are you spending your money on? Your body is the most important thing in your life. So if I'm gonna spend the money on anything, it's gonna be on something that helps my body. So I really started to take eating seriously, buying the right things, eating the right things, making sure that I get the right supplements in me. Because if LeBron can spend $2 million a year on his body, I can spend a couple dollars to get the organic beef over, the beef where they have all these chemicals in it just to preserve it. So you have to learn to invest in yourself in order to create greatness out of you, in order to help you reach potentials that you may not have never reached before, So you have to pour into you have to invest in yourself. And YouTube has allowed me to do that, especially invest in my creative ability. The fourth way that YouTube has changed my life is that it has given me a passion project to work on, develop, and grow. And I need a passion project in my life because I definitely don't want my life to be full of just me working for somebody else and earning that company money. No, I need to be putting my energy towards something that I'm passionate about, something that I love, that I'm willing to exchange my time for. And that has came to be content creating, cinematography. And we all need to find that avenue that allows us to work on our passion, something that brings us joy, that brings us peace whenever we're able to tap into it. And this is what YouTube has done for me. It has allowed me to find that little bit of joy because I get to do what I love to do, and that is to help grow people, develop people, to shape people into the right direction so that they can provide more for themselves or provide more for their family, to become a better version of who they are. That's what I'm all about, self-development and bringing people closer to the Word of God, to help them understand the Word better. Sometimes you can understand things better depending on how you relate to that person. So hopefully people that can relate to me, that can understand me, that loves the way that I articulate something, maybe I can reach them in a way that brings them closer to Christ. So those are the things that I'm passionate about, and YouTube allows me to tap into my passion and develop and grow my passion. And the fifth way that YouTube has changed my life is it has given me the opportunity to live the life that I want for myself. I'm in control of this ship. It has given me the control. However successful I become at this is going to be correlated to the amount of effort that I put in it. You get what you put in. So I love that I have that control because it allows me to gamble on myself. And I'm not a big gambler, but if I do choose to gamble, it's on things that I have control of. And YouTube has given me that control. It's given me the ability to work on my videos, work on my speech, work on just creating better content so that it catches the algorithm and gets pushed by YouTube. And a lot of that is based off of how well I perform, the effort that I put into it. So it's a lot more leaning on me, on how successful I become from this. And I love that. Put the ball in my hands and I'll go to work. That's how I view it. So I don't have to rely on betting on somebody else. I will always bet on myself. 9 times out of 10, I will bet on myself to be successful at anything if it's based off of my effort and what I put into it. So I love that YouTube has given me that opportunity, that platform to do what I want, to be in control, to live life in the ways that I want to live it. But I thank you guys for checking out this video. I really wanted to talk about, how it's been beneficial for me, because I want to inspire somebody else to get out there and just go create. Be creators. Christ was a creator. God is a creator. Look, of all the things that we see in this world has all been created at one point or another. So you're dealing with a God that creates first. And we're the embodiment of Christ, so we shall also be creators. So go out there and create. But I thank you guys for checking out this video. I'm gonna have more content on the way per usual. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.